All right, we got to put a heater core on a '05 Ram Cummins. We'll try to do it with as little talking as possible. Everybody has short attention spans. First thing I'm going to do, because there's no heater core in it, it gets cold, it's December, we've got a heater in here. We're going to shut these doors up, let it get hot, so this dash ain't as apt to crack as it would be, because it's pretty cold. While we're waiting on it to heat up, we're going to take off our A-pillars and start taking off as much of this top stuff as we can to get to the screws to this piece, which cracks if you look at it hard. All right, just keep removing everything. Get your column drop down so we got room to pull this dash out. Keep pulling stuff out. This wiring harness right here, you gotta get her loose. That gives the dash slack enough to pull away from the firewall. And just keep moving stuff, man. This junk is full of stuff, and it's cold, and I don't want this dash to crack. We're in a pickle, boys. And we gotta pull this console unit out of this one to get that off so we can pull this back. Don't forget these guys that go up in that steering column plate. Because after you get it, and then these side ones, then you got some movement. And after the console's out, you got a couple down there holding that dash on the bottom. And Tyler's getting that up top. And the last one of these we did a dash replacement on because it's already busted, but this one's in good shape. So we're trying to save it, but I know for a fact these ducts are screwed to the bottom of this dash, so we're gonna have to try to maneuver it out to see if we can get to the back of them. And this unit here. And don't forget that wiring harness down there that I didn't get, and Taylor's mad because I didn't get it. But it's that one. Just unplug it. There you go. Wait, oh, it's another one. We're getting close to coming out. We don't want to break this lad. Somewhere in there is that heater core. And somebody done zip tied that up. Somebody's been in here. Huh. They must have, I don't know how they went through. Unless they came in through here. I don't know. Alright, we started what, 12:30? Yeah. It's now 2 o'clock. So it's an hour and a half to get to this point. Now we got to start taking the screws out and pull the lid off. Oh, that was neat. This has Dr. Diesel. That's 5.9 Cummins and a 6-speed in this unit, 4-wheel drive. All right, we're getting all our bolts so we can get this thing pulled away because you've got screws scattered about and something on the back side. But you can really see the antifreeze in there just to getting it. I've been pulling these, about got it, but you got to pull it away from the firewall. You've got that one, and there's one on the bottom there, and there's a couple out here under the hood. Taylor's getting out now behind this coolant pump where you get to it. All right, we had to drop the wheel well liner, and there's your hidden bolt, right there. Then we'll get slack to pull that box out from the firewall. Alright, just like that, we got her. Just a pain in the butt to get to the back. Oh yeah, she's wet. Take out the one side. Let me film this side, this bottom. Now the heater core stays with the lid. And she has a mess of antifreeze in it. We gotta vacuum out. We're gonna check all these blend doors while we're at it. Make sure they're all operating. And it'd be a good time to replace this, but we're not going to. Alright, we're going to take the old one off. There's a 4-way for Phillips. And we're going to replace her. Uh-oh, we got a problem though. That ain't the same. How you going to do that, Willie? Never mind, it fit. Fit just fine and dandy. Those legs will wiggle and move. And Tyler's gonna screw that plate back on that unit. And we're gonna reinstall. Now, we got her done, but this here is gonna stop us. We got a broke blend door. We just found it. So we got a new one coming, but it'll be in the morning before it gets here. But maybe this will help you out. And wasn't a whole lot of chit-chat and chatter to mess your tension up, but check your blend doors. Aside from that, everything else is just going to be backwards. Just put it back just like you took it out. And Lord willing, it'll help you out. Thanks for watching.